Dexter, you want to explain what we have so far here and what we're doing today? Do you want to explain what we have so far?
We have a model volcano.
How do we create the volcano? How do we make it?
We use, I believe, vinegar and some sort of activator.
Okay, and then what materials have you used to make your volcano?
Paper, a bottle, and some tin foil.
Perfect. And of course, we also have a pan to hold, make sure we hold everything in. Brody, can you tell me what is inside a volcano? Like what
Like rocks.
what kind of rocks are they? Do you remember the name by any chance?
No.
Brody, I mean Dexter.
Igneous rocks.
Perfect. And Brody,
They are rocks that are formed from cooling lava and magma.
perfect. Brody, what else comes out of the volcano besides rocks?
Lava.
That's right. And can you tell me 2 things about lava that you know?
They're hot. They're 1,000 degrees.
More than that. Multiple thousands. That's
Brody,
really good though.
It's the same thing. You both said it was hot.
Dexter, is there anything extra you want to add that you know about volcanoes and the steam that comes out of it?
There, multiple volcanoes can have these gigantic plumes of smoke that come out, and sometimes, with the right conditions, there can be lightning strikes within the plume of smoke.
Very
I
nice.
believe it has to do with the steam and all the ash.
When is it gonna be?
So, where can we find volcanoes, guys?
Islands.
Islands.
Do you know a specific island, Brody, that we can find volcanoes?
Underwater.
There's some underwater too.
I don't know why.
But do you know any island that has a lot of volcanoes? Dexter can help. Dexter? Is there any?
Hawaii.
Yeah.
Why?
Hawaii.
All of the islands were made from volcanoes.
Really? Okay. And
And there's a new one being created.
really? Where?
When an earthquake.
I think it's to the right of most of the islands. I think in.
Do you know what that
I
little
can't
area is called? Where the islands are of the all the volcanoes? It's called the Ring of Fire.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I haven't read a book in a really long.
Okay. All right. So we added baking powder, baking soda, and we're adding some vinegar. Ooh, what do we see, guys? What happens when you mix the vinegar with the baking soda?
There's a chemical reaction and it turns into a sort of liquid.
So when volcanoes explode, this is basically what happens. You have a mix of lava. Let's pretend these guys are like steam or rocks.
But in real
Ooh, look at that. Now I got it to
in real
bubble.
life, there's only ash and
Ash.
lava.
That's
Oh, some fall on me.
some fell on you. Look at that. What do you want to name your volcano? Any ideas?
Binx Island.
The Big Silent?
Binx Island.
No, not Big Island.
Binx Island.
What island?
Binx Island.
Big Silent. Oh, I like that.
Not me.
Perfect.
Well, you know what we did?